In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to an Authenticator app. Before we start, make sure you already have an Authenticator app installed on your phone, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or a similar app. You'll need that ready because we're going to connect it directly to your PayPal account. First, open your web browser and go to your PayPal dashboard. If you're not logged in yet, sign in with your usual details. Once you're on the main account overview page, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. Click on that gear icon to open your account settings. Inside the settings area, you'll see a few different tabs or sections. Look for the one labeled Security. This is where PayPal keeps all of your login and protection options. Click on Security to open the security settings page. On this page, find the section that mentions two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Next to that, there should be a button or link that says Set Up. Go ahead and click Set Up. This is the feature that adds an extra layer of security. So even if someone gets your password, they still can't log in without the code from your phone. PayPal will then ask how you want to receive your verification codes. Here, choose the option that says Use an Authenticator app. This tells PayPal that you want to generate your login codes inside your authentication app instead of using text messages. After you select the Authenticator app option, PayPal will show you a QR code on the screen. Now pick up your phone and open your Authenticator app. In the app, look for an option to add a new account, usually marked with a plus symbol or add account. Choose the option to scan a QR code, then point your phone's camera at the code displayed on your PayPal screen. The app will automatically read the code and add your PayPal account, creating a new 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds or so. Back on the PayPal page, you'll see a field where you need to enter a verification code. Look at the new PayPal entry in your Authenticator app and type the current 6-digit code into that field. Make sure you enter it quickly before it refreshes to the next code. Once you've typed in the code, click on Confirm. PayPal will check the code, and if everything is correct, your Authenticator app will now be linked to your PayPal account. From now on, when you log in, you may be asked for a code from your app, giving your account much stronger protection.